Hi, I'm Renee, and I clean and organize my followers' homes for free. In this episode, I helped a family organize their pantry, unpack their master bedroom closet and office, and declutter and organize the kids' room closet. In the master bedroom closet, I started out by unpacking the clothes and hanging them up with like items. While I was unpacking the clothes, I got to see the most beautiful military ball gowns that she wore to compliment her husband in his dress uniform. I'm hanging up like items: short sleeve shirts with short sleeve shirts, skirts with skirts. So this was going to be her closet. His closet is on the other side of the room where I'm putting the shoes down. I couldn't unpack his items because the clothes bar had to be installed in his closet. Unpacking the dresser. Moving on to the office. His items were moved to the office and the boxes were moved to the wrong room. I was moving the boxes to the top of the stairs so he could move them to his new office. This space was going to be used for a school area for the kids. Ooh, let's move on to the pantry. I started out by removing all the items and checking them for expired food. The daughter was extremely helpful as I taught her how to check for the expired food labels. We ended up with 2 bags of food that was expired. The kids had a blast giving their mom a hard time with this information. Time to start putting the food back. Again, I sorted items by like items: soup with soup, dry goods with dry goods, and spices with spices. I went a little overboard and alphabetized the spices. I'm so glad I could help this family. Time for the kids' closet. Removing all the items and putting them on the floor in front of myself and the mom. She went through the items to be donated and what would be saved. Once I knew the saved items, I sorted and organized them onto the shelf. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with all your friends, hit the notification bell for more videos like this.